In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your reservation on Airbnb in 2026 step by step. To get started, open Airbnb on your phone or go to the Airbnb website on your computer. Then sign in to your account. Make sure you're logged into the same account you used to make the booking, since reservations will only appear there. Once you're signed in, look for the trips section. If you're using the app, you'll usually find it in the bottom menu. If you're on the website, it's typically located in the top navigation area. Tap or click trips to continue. Inside the trips page, you'll see your travel plans organized by category. To check an active booking, look under the upcoming section. This is where Airbnb displays reservations that haven't happened yet. Find the reservation you want to review, then select it to open the full details page. On the reservation page, take a moment to review the main booking information. This usually includes the property name, your check-in date, your checkout date, the number of guests, and the total price. This is a good place to double check that everything matches what you originally booked. Next, check the reservation status. You want to confirm that the booking shows as confirmed. If it does, that means your reservation is active and recognized in the system. If you're reviewing your trip close to your travel date, this is one of the most important details to verify. After that, look for your check-in instructions. If the host has already shared them, you'll be able to view them here. These instructions may include arrival details, entry information, or timing notes, so it's helpful to review them before your trip rather than waiting until the last minute. You can also open the messages section if you need to read past messages or contact your host. This is useful if you want to confirm arrival details, ask a question about the stay, or check for any updates related to the reservation. Before you finish, review any additional reservation details available on the page. This can include the property address, house rules, and the amenities included with your stay. Going through this information in advance can help you avoid surprises and prepare properly for your visit. Whenever you need to check things again later, simply return to the trips page. From there, you may also be able to manage, modify, or cancel the reservation, depending on whether